To automate Shopify customer support with AI, Chatkit for Shopify uses your products and store pages to answer shoppers' questions, track orders in the same thread, and create some human handoff when the customer needs extra help. So in this video, I'll show you how Chatkit for Shopify helps reduce repetitive support tickets. So after installation, Chatkit for Shopify can collect products and store pages automatically. So this is the dashboard of Chatkit for Shopify. If you go to the Select panel on the Knowledge tab, you'll find yourself here. Here, basically, Chatkit for Shopify gets information where it collects information such as your products, store pages, and you can even add extra information such as text as frequently asked questions, snips, and custom content such as files, PDFs, Word docs, and text files, and knowledge base for help articles for chats and portals. This is what allows the AI assistant to answer common support questions without needing for merchants to write every response manually. For examples, shoppers can ask about products, policies, returns, or store information, and the AI chatbot uses the existing knowledge to answer. As an example here, I ask it what size should I get. It's asked me for some measurements such as my weight, height, wide style, and everything. Once I give those information, it recommended me a specific products depending on the information that I give. Keep in mind that this recommendation is not added manually by me. It's done automatically depending on the information that's extracted either from your store or information added by you. So the first step is to let Chatkit for Shopify extract information from your store as products in store pages and policies, and then you can add extra support knowledge as we said before. You can also connect it to other integrations as you can see from here, if you want to extract information from those integrations as well. So once you add all the relevant knowledge, it's time to test it out for yourself. You can either go to the storefront and test it from there, or inside Chatkit, you can go to the home screen and you'll find Test Agent right here. Click on it, and you'll be able to test it whether on your sites or the chat page, and you can ask it normally and see how it's going to interact with you and your questions depending on the knowledge that you have or that Chatkit for Shopify have. Whether it's the knowledge extracted from your store directly or extra info that you added in after. And if shoppers need extra help, they can ask for a real person. An example here in storefronts, I asked it, I want to speak to a real person. They will submit a ticket, or Chatkit for Shopify can create a ticket or route the request to the merchant support channel depending on how the store is configured. Once I submit my ticket, they will confirm that my ticket has been submitted and my team or their team will be able to get back to you to the email that you entered. Inside Chatkit for Shopify, you will find this Open Tickets option, and you can find it inside your inbox. Here you will find the ticket and you can respond to it however you want. You'll find the history or the chat history, and inside this page itself, you can send your reply right here. So review the conversation however you want and respond accordingly to it. So that's how Chatkit for Shopify automates the customer support.